right, so Juan and I are going to do a page together in my Bible. And we picked 1 Corinthians 13. That was the verse that we had read at our wedding, and I think it's just a really awesome verse about what love is and what love means. So he's looking through a pile of my printables. I keep them in this binder, and so he's checking out what would be good to use. I also have a bunch here. I just recently printed on sticker paper too. So we're gonna see what we find to use. Yeah, this would just be kind of a fun activity to Bible journal together. We've never really done that before. And so, yeah, I'd love to see you guys Bible journal with your husband or significant other or your kids and tag me. I think that would be really fun to see what you guys do together and what you come up with and what God teaches you as you dive into His Word with family and friends and loved ones. So we will check back with what we find, what we're going to use, and definitely check out the link to my Etsy shop below where you can find all sorts of fun Bible journaling printables. All right, Juan is looking at stamps now.
Yep.
We picked out a printable. We're going to use the Oh Happy Day printable, and I'll link that in the description box below. It is a really awesome printable with we're going to use the clouds and the sun, so that'll be fun. And now he's looking at seeing if there's any stamps that he wants to use. Are there any calling your name yet?
Some, yes. I'm looking for more because you have a lot. You have a lot of stamp.
Alright, so we have our page. We're going to use the little sun and clouds. But first, Juan picked watercolors to put as the background. So we're going to add this paper in between. Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You can do it.
So which one did you want? The dark or the medium or both?
The medium.
This one?
Yes.
So do you want to put it like around there?
Yes.
Like as a little frame? So these watercolors I'm using, they're from a company called Designs by Rachel Beth, and I'll link her Etsy shop below. She has really awesome homemade watercolors, and she updates her shop almost every Friday. And this is my first ever set that I got from her, and you can see it is very well loved. Does that look good, or more or less?
I think that looks good.
Okay, so now dry it. Alright, we're gonna, We're gonna kind of underline the verses we're focusing on. Do you want to do that? So we're starting at verse 4 and then ending at verse 8. So you could underline it or put a box around it. And then we found this really awesome stamp set that my friend Gail gave to me. And it has all of these New Testament scriptures, including this one that matches with what we're talking about. So I thought that was kind of cool. So Juan found this one for us to use. And we're going to use a stark blue ink to kind of go along with our blue theme for the sky. And what made you pick the sky as you were reading this verse?
Pink. That's good. What do you ask?
What made you pick the sky as we were thinking of this verse?
Oh yes, because the heaven never.
Do you want me to put these down while you talk?
Yes. The heavens and the sun never do
Never end.
yes, never end, never fail. And I think the love never fails to, like the God's word say. And sometimes we can see that, but that don't mean it's not being in the sky.
Sometimes we can't see the sun.
Yes, in the sky too, for the
Clouds.
clouds.
That doesn't mean it's not there.
Mm-hmm.
So we have these printed on clear sticker paper so you can still see the verse underneath poking through, but Juan kind of outlined it so you could see it. All right, shall we stamp?
Yep.
Okay. Have you ever
Is that-
stamped before?
Yes, but not like too fancy.
Okay, so you're gonna take this stamp off.
I want to choose that love.
This one?
That's okay. Yes. Ooh. It's nice.
So stick it on there. And then we
You
kind
put
of
in.
dab it like that. Yeah. Hold it a little lower. Yep. Make sure you cover it all and push pretty hard.
It's okay.
Okay. So
That's
then turn it over. And you want to line it up.
And
A little
right
lower.
Here.
Is it centered?
Yep.
Okay, go. Push, push, push. All right, lift it up.
Ooh.
Ooh, that's
looks nice.
beautiful. All right, and so maybe now should we write a little prayer under it?
Yes, I can put a little heart with we have that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yes. Close to the sun.
Well, you can't put anything on top of the sticker paper.
Can?
No,
Okay.
but you could put it down here or next to it. You could do a heart here or down here.
Nice.
Do you want to do it?
Yes.
I had an idea.
Here we go. That's beautiful.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Oh, that turned out awesome. So I thought we could use this to make a little tab up top
Okay.
to mark our page. So this is the pattern papers. So I have a set, an Oh Happy Day printable, and that's where these came from. And then I also have a set that's pattern papers that match. And so that's what this came from. So it's a fun way to use the pattern papers, is to punch a tab. And I like doing this to kind of mark what pages I've done in the Bible. Does that look good?
Yes, I think so.
Ooh. And I'll do this one on the other side, so it's like a double-sided tab. So if you guys have patterned papers at home, definitely pull out the different punches and make some fun tabs for your pages. So that looks really good. All right, do we want to write a prayer underneath?
Yes.
Use that. Do you want to write it or me?
I think your letter.
You should
It's
write it in
more beautiful.
Spanish. You should write it in Spanish, Juan. Asking God to help us to remember His love and then also share our love in our marriage.
Okay, I'm going.
Ooh, look, I found this that we could put at the bottom of the prayer. Amen, amen.
Nice.
Like that.
Yep.
Oh, that's beautiful. And I'll write the date. What is the date? It's March 14th. Yay!
Woohoo!
So thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up, not sideways. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for more Bible journaling videos. And let us know in the comments down below what you thought of this video and if you would want to see us do more Bible journaling videos together. And never forget how much God loves you, and His love never ends. It reaches to the skies and to the heavens, and it is just the greatest thing in the whole world. So, anything you want to add?
Yes, you need to want to watch more videos. We doing something together because that will help you, because she is gonna teach me and everything, and it's good for you if you are starting to do that. And yes, so I'm right now like a baby, but I'm enjoying a lot that doing that and looking or watching or seeing everything that I can do on the Bible. So it's so fun. And yes, that's because you need to want to watch more.
So don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.